Salah? Apa salah? Salah? Berdiri dia nyanyi lagu apa? Apa salah?
Objection! 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 Hold it! Objection!
Kalian mau milih yang mana? Nomor 1, nomor 2, nomor 3, nomor 4. Kalian mau milih yang mana?
Saya talking.
Nanti saya packing, bukan poking, goblok.
Peace, hoops, and ascension. Peace, hoops, and ascension. Waves of the water break down the tension. Peace, hoops, and ascension. Peace, hoops, and ascension. Waves of the water break down the tension.
LGBTQ, we support you, but if you don't like oppression, why the fuck aren't you vegan yet? LGBTQ, we support you, but if you don't like oppression, why the fuck aren't you vegan yet?
Baking cookies are my love. I'm ceramics. Baking cookies.
Shut the fuck up!
Don't blame me, I didn't have a clue. Well, it's not my fault, I'm innocent like you.
Don't you know that's also what she claims?
This'll never work if we all say the same. What the hell's this? I'm gonna be sick. That's enough now. I'm just saying I'm so pissed.
Girls say Beyonce, I know how you must feel, but you're getting so carried away, it's unreal.
I am literally so f***ing disappointed right now. There is this motherfucker who is tracing and stealing people's artwork right now. And why would someone literally trace and steal someone's hard work, I wonder? Apparently it's because they don't like emoji cats and want to harass them by stealing their art. I'm kind of being a bit toxic, but TikTok better not take this down due to how stupid this situation is. Some emoji cats try so f***ing hard drawing their ass off by drawing art. Here are some examples of art they have traced. The fact that this person is tracing other people's artwork for profit is absolutely disgusting. If you ever have the time, please report this person and do not give them attention. Anyways, farewell.
Peace, oops, and ascension. Peace, oops, and ascension. Waves of the water break down the tension.
LGBTQ, we support you, but if you don't like oppression, why the fuck aren't you vegan yet? LGBTQ, we support you, but if you don't like oppression, why the fuck aren't you vegan yet?
Baking cookies are my love. My service, baking cookies. Shut the fuck up!
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Here's a list of people I can't trust. Number 1, people who use cat emojis in place of actual emojis. Number 2, people who actually enjoy ice baths. Number 3, people who say, oh, don't worry, I won't give any spoilers. Number 4, people who get in a shower without first testing the water with their hand. Number 5, people who bite their ice cream. Number 6, people who enjoy green olives. Number 7, people who pronounce milk like milk. Ugh. Number 8, people who don't dip their fries in ketchup but pour the ketchup on the fries. Number 9, people who don't end a list of things in a normal number, like 5 or 10. You can't trust these people.
I have a penis.